Hello everyone. Today we are going to start AIMCAT 2212. We are going to solve quantitative ability section, which is having 26 questions. So let's start with the test. The test is loading. Okay, so I will hide this part. So let's start solving this test. Let's read this question carefully. A lift in a building can move upward with a speed 1.8 meter per second when it is empty, but the speed decreases when there are people in the lift. The decrease in the speed in the upward direction is directly proportional to the square root of the number of people. If the speed is 0.9, then there are 4 people. Okay, find the maximum number of people that lift can carry. So over here what is given? Decrease in speed. Okay, decrease in speed is directly proportional to number of people in that lift. Okay, so decrease in speed, how to find decrease in speed? Decrease in speed is maximum speed minus current speed. Okay, so maximum speed of a lift is 1.8 and let's say the current speed is x. So what we can say is 1.8 minus x is a decrease in speed that is directly proportional to square root of n. Okay, in direct proportion the ratio remains constant, so 1.8 minus x divided by root n in first case is equal to 1.8 minus x divided by root n in second case. Now let's put the values. In the first case the speed of lift is 0.9, so 1.8 minus 0.9 divided by under root number of people are 4 is equal to, in second case we want maximum number of people to be there. Okay, so the number of people will be maximum when the speed of lift is 0. Okay, so what I will do is let's take the speed of lift as 0 divided by under root n. Let's solve this. Let's see what we get here. So this is equal to 0.9 divided by 2 is equal to 1.8 divided by root n. So if we solve this, we get root n is equal to 4. Okay, so n is equal to 16, means when there are 16 number of people, okay, when there are number of people 16, then the speed of lift becomes 0. We want lift to be in moving situation. Okay, so for that maximum number of people should be 15, one less, that is equal to 15. The answer is going to be 15. Okay, after this let's have a look at second question. If a, b, c, d are the natural numbers such that LCM of a and b is b, LCM of b and c is c, LCM of c and d is c, and the LCM of a and d will not be. We'll do it later on. This looks a bit tricky one. Okay, we'll do it later on. Let's go to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3, we are supposed to find the domain of the function. Okay, so over here domain of a function log, we do not take log of negative number or 0. So x cube minus 27 should be greater than 0, means x cube should be greater than 27, means x should be greater than 3. Okay, so 3 to positive infinity, and denominator cannot be equal to 0, means mod of x minus 4 cannot be equal to 0, means x cannot be equal to 4. So our answer is going to be what? 3 to infinity. Okay, minus 4. That is option number C. Let's mark it and move ahead. Question number 4. In the given figure, PQRSTU is a regular hexagon. O is a point inside such that POU is 90 degree. OU is parallel to ST. We want to find the area of triangle POU divided by area of triangle hexagon. Area of hexagon. Okay, so what I will do is I will draw a diagram first of all. The diagram is like this. This is a regular hexagon. Okay, let's drop a perpendicular like this. This is point O, this is U, this is P. Okay, so the interior angle is how much? 120 degree. So this angle becomes 60 degree. Okay, so this angle becomes 30 degree. Let's say, okay, what I will do is we are supposed to find the ratio. If I consider the side of regular hexagon is 1, so side opposite to 30 degree becomes how much? Half of hypotenuse. Side opposite to 60 degrees, root 3 by 2 into hypotenuse. Okay, so we are supposed to find the area of this triangle. The area of this triangle is half into base is 1 by 2, height is root 3 by 2, divided by area of regular hexagon is 3 root 3 divided by 2 into side square means 1 square. So this is the answer. Okay, so let's solve this. This is equal to how much? Root 3 divided by 8 into 2 divided by 3 root 3. So this becomes how much? This becomes 2 divided by 24. That is equal to 1 by 12 is the answer. Let's mark it. After this, question number 5. Okay, Question number 5, 1 second. B Day, an online clothes and fashion store, is giving 20% cash back on a purchase of 1000 or above made on its website. Okay, B Day, okay, when you purchase rupees 3000, in your account will be credited 600 rupees, that is 20%. Okay, if Manish has 10,000 rupees with him, what is the maximum value of the products that he can purchase? Okay, so over here he is having 10,000 rupees. Okay, means if he purchase for 10,000, he will get 20% cash back, means he will get 2,000 rupees cash back. Again he spent 2,000 rupees, he will get 20%, that is 400 cash back. So he can purchase goods of worth 12,400, but I am sure the answer is not 12,400. Okay, there should be some trick. Okay, there should be something, okay, where we can make some other combination to maximize our purchasing amount. Okay, but it will be lengthy to think. Okay, so what I will do is, this is a theta question, I will mark 12,400 here and let's move ahead. I think this is the incorrect. Okay, but let's not spend much time here, it is difficult to find that combination. Question number 6 looks lengthy, so let's ignore it. Let's move ahead. Question number 7. F of x is x square, g of x is 2 to the power x. How many non-negative integral values for x such that such that f of x means x square should be greater than or equal to 2 to the power x? Okay, x is going to be which kind of number? X is going to be non-negative integer, means 0, 1, 2, 3 onwards. Okay, so over here if I put x is equal to 0, this is 0 is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, this is incorrect. X is equal to 1, this will become 1 is greater than or equal to 2, this is incorrect. If I put x is equal to 2, this will become 4 is greater than or equal to 4, this is correct. X is equal to 3, this is 9 is greater than or equal to 8, this is correct. X is equal to 4, this is 16 is greater than or equal to 16, this is correct. Okay, x is equal to 5. Okay, 25 is greater than or equal to 32, this is not correct. Okay, x is equal to 6, 64 is greater than, sorry, x is equal to 6 is 36 is greater than or equal to 64, this is incorrect. Okay, I think these are the only 3 values, okay, where it is valid. So the answer is 3, there are 3 values. After this, question number 8. The average run scored by a batsman in a certain innings is 54. Okay, after he plays one more innings in which he scored 145 runs, his average becomes a prime number less than 72. Okay, find the number of innings that he played. So over here, let's say the initial number of innings are n or x. Okay, so the total number of runs are 54x. In the next match, 145 runs, total number of innings are x plus 1 now, and this average is going to be a prime number less than 72. Okay, prime number less than 72. So we are supposed to find the total number of innings played, means we are supposed to find the value of n plus 1 is how much. The one of the option is cannot be determined. Okay, so we need to guess the values. This has to be prime number and integer. Okay, so what we'll do is 54x plus 54. Okay, plus is how much? Plus how much is left? 91 is left, divided by x plus 1. So can we write this as 54 times x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 91 divided by x plus 1. Okay, so this is integer, this is 54. Okay, so this becomes how much? 54 plus 91 divided by x plus 1. Okay, so x plus 1 is supposed to be what? Tell me. X plus 1 is supposed to be the factor of 91. It can be 1, it can be 7, it can be 13, it can be 91. Okay, so for that, okay, this addition has to be prime number. Okay, so this addition becomes what? Tell me. 54 plus the value of this can be what? Value of this can be 91. The value of this can be, just 1 second, 13. The value of this can be 7. The value of this can be 1. Okay, 54 plus 91 is not a prime number. 54 plus 13 is a prime number 67. 54 plus 7 is 61 is a prime number. 54 plus 1 55 is not a prime number. Okay, so the value of x plus 1 can be 7 or can be 13, so we will be getting two different answers here. Okay, 7 or 13 is the answer, so effectively answer becomes cannot be determined. After this, question number 9, find the number of digits in 144 to the power 80. This is a very common question. Let's do this. So the answer is going to be what? Answer is going to be, we need to find the log first of all. Okay, log of 144 to the power 80 we are supposed to find. Okay, so 80 into 144 is what? Log 16 plus 9. Okay, log 16 plus log 9. Log 16 is what? 2 log 4. Sorry, log 16 is what? 4 log 2. Okay, log 9 is 2 log 3. Again take 2 common, so this is 160 into 2 log 2 plus log 3. So we know the value of log 2. Log 2 is how much? 0.3010. So 2 into log 2 becomes 0.6020 plus log 3 is how much? 0.4771. So let's do this addition. This addition is 160 into, okay, this addition is going to be how much? 1970.1. okay, so this is going to be how much? 16 into 10.791. okay, so 16 ones are 16, 1 is a carry, 16 nines are 144 plus 1 is 145, 14. okay, 16 sevens are 112, 112 plus 4 116, 126, 126. 16 ones are 16 and 12. 16 and 12 is equal to how much? 16 and 12, 18, 28. okay, I think I made some mistake here. Okay, let me use the calculator here. Let me use the calculator. 16 into 10.97. okay, this is going to be 172 point something. Okay, so our answer is going to be 173 is the answer. In the integral part we are supposed to add 1. okay, 173 is the answer here. After this, question number 10. Question number 10 is, in how many distinct ways can 7 identical pencils be distributed among 4 children such that the difference between number of pencils with any 2 children is not greater than 2? Okay, so there are 4 children. Numbers are small, so we can make combinations easily. So there are 4 children, A, B, C, D. Numbers are small. Okay, total number of chocolates, total number of pencils that we need to distribute is 7, such that the difference between any 2 students should not be greater than 2. It can be 2 or it can be less than 2. okay, so first possibility is 2 2 2 1. This is valid. okay, second possibility is 3 2 1 3 2 1 1. okay, 3 2 1 1. 3 plus 2 6, 3 plus 2 5. This is also valid. okay, then 3 2 2 0. This is not valid because the difference between these, this is 3. okay, we don't want difference to be 3. okay, so I think these are the only 2 cases which are valid. okay, in how many ways we can do this? okay, in how many ways we can do this? These 4 numbers we can arrange in how many ways? 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial, that is equal to how much? 3 ways. okay, and these 4 numbers we can arrange in how many ways? 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial, that is equal to 12. okay, so the answer is going to be what? 12 plus 3. Oh sorry, this is 4. okay, 12 plus 4, that is equal to how much? 16. So the answer is 16 here. After this, question number 11, x plus y plus z is 36, x, y, z are positive real number. Find the maximum value of the given thing. okay, so now look here, this is again a very common question. okay, to find the maximum value of that multiplication, what we need to do is we need to solve x divided by power of x is equal to y divided by power of y, okay, is equal to z divided by power of z. We need to solve this along with this. X plus y plus z is equal to 36. okay, yes, so this is a standard method to do here. So let's take this is equal to k. okay, so the value of x becomes k, y becomes 2k, and z becomes 3k. So over here, k plus 2k plus 3k, that is equal to 6k is equal to 36. So k is equal to 6. So now we got the value of x is equal to 6, y is equal to 12, z is equal to 18. Okay, we'll keep the values and we will get the answer. So the answer is what? Tell me. The maximum value of x into y square into z cube means 6 into 12 square into 18 cube is the answer. We need to do the prime factorization of this. Okay, this is going to be what? 6 to the power 3. Okay, into 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3. Okay, so this is 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 5. Okay, oh sorry, 2 to the power 5. There is no any option now. I think I made some mistake here. Okay, 1 second, hold on, let me correct this. This is 3 to the power 3. Okay, so this is what? 6 cube. Okay, 6 cube. 1 second, let me go back. 6 cube. So over here 2 is remaining, over here 2 square is remaining, and over here 2 cube is remaining. Okay, so this is going to be what? 2 to the power 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 to the power 9, but 2 to the power 9 is not an option. Let me check it again. 2 square, 2 cube. Okay, so 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. I made again. Okay, this 2 should not be there. No, this 2 should not be there. Okay, this 2 should not be there. Okay, so 2 to the power 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3 only. No, again I made some mistake. Hold on, let me correct this. 6 into 12 square into 18 cube is the answer. Okay, so 6 to the power, okay, yes, so 6 to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 6, into 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3, sorry, 3 to the power 3. Correct, this is the answer. Okay, so 2 to the power, 6 plus 2 is 8, 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 6 plus 3 is 9, 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 9 is the answer. That is last option. Okay, after this question number 12. Question number 12 is x is equal to 10 to the power, hold on, x is equal to 10 to the power 20 minus 9 to the power 17 divided by 10 to the power 14 minus 9 to the power 11. Okay, so which of the following is true? We want to find the range of x. Okay, so over here what we can see that the difference in the power of 10 is 6 and the difference in the power of 9 is 6. Okay, so we need to okay, so what we can do here is, so what I will do is I will multiply numerator and denominator by 10 to the power 6. Okay, I will multiply numerator and denominator by 10 to the power 6. Okay, so because of that what happens, 10 to the power 20 minus 10 to the power 6 into 9 to the power 11 it becomes. Okay, so from this can we see that okay, among these two terms which term is greater? Tell me. Among these two terms the lower term is greater. Okay, so in the denominator the greater term is getting subtracted from 10 to the power 20. Okay, so from this we can see that denominator is smaller than numerator. Okay, so the value of this fraction is going to be more than 1. Okay, going to be more than 1 means the value of x is going to be more than 10 to the power 6. So which option we are going to mark? Last option. After this, question number 13. Question number 13, Mr. Santram has 5 children, 3 daughters and 2 sons. 5 years ago, their combined ages of a daughter is thrice that of sons. 5 years hence, the combined ages of the daughter is twice that of sons. Okay, the present age of youngest child is at least 6 years. Find the present average age of the 5 children. Looks easy. Okay, we'll do this. So now look here, 5 years ago, the sum of ages of their daughters, okay, is equal to how much? Twice. Is equal to how much? Thrice. Okay, thrice of sum of their sons. Sons are x1 and x2. Okay, So let's say d1, d2, d3, x1 and x2 are the ages 5 years ago. Okay, and 5 years hence, 5 years after, the ages of daughter becomes how much? d1 plus d2 plus d3 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Okay, so there is a gap of 10 years, so means their ages will increases by 10 years. Okay, is equal to now twice of the sum of ages of son at that time is how much? x1 plus x2 plus age of every son will increase by 10 plus 10, that is 20. Okay, so over here let's solve this. So over here what we can do is, by using first equation we can replace d1 plus d2 plus d3 by 3 times x1 plus x2. Okay, plus 30 is equal to 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 40. If we solve this, we will get x1 plus x2 is equal to 10. Okay, and we will get d1 plus d2 plus d3. By using first equation we will get it as 30. Okay, so their sum is how much? Tell me. Their sum is 40. This sum is 40. This is 5 years ago. Okay, this is 5 years ago. Okay, so for today the sum will be how much? Means after 5 years, with respect to 5 years ago, after 5 years everyone's age will increase by 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. The sum will increase by 25. So the today's sum is how much? 65. Okay, we are supposed to find the average. 65 divided by 5, that is equal to how much? 13 is the average. After this, question number 14, we are left with 18.5 minutes. Let's do question number 14. It is familiar to us. Okay, 4 men and 6 women can build a wall in 10 days. Okay, so 4 men plus 6 women into 10, number of people into number of days always remain constant. 2 men and 6 women, 2 men plus 6 women, they can do the work in 15 days, so into 15. And then 1 man and 1 woman require how many days? 1 man plus 1 woman is equal to how many days? Okay, so now, so what we'll do is first solve these two equations. Okay, we'll get the relationship between m and w. So this becomes how much? 4m plus 6w. Okay, or let me, instead of simplification I will do the direct multiplication. Okay, so 40m plus 60w is equal to 30m plus 90w. So this becomes how much? 10m is equal to 30w. So 1m is equal to 3w. Okay, so now let's convert men into women. Okay, let's solve these two now. Okay, 2m is equal to how many women? 2m is equal to 6 women plus 6 women, 12 women into 15. Okay, now 1 man is equal to 3 women plus 1 woman, 4 women into d. Okay, so the value of d is equal to how much? 4 3s are 45. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, so 3 into 15 is 45 days. Okay, so the answer is 45 days. After this, question number 15, if the absolute difference between the mean and median of the distribution is 0.8, how many positive integral values x can assume? Okay, this will go lengthy. Let's ignore it. Let's go to the next question. In how many ways can a committee of 5 persons be formed from 6 men and 5 women such that committee is having more men than women? Very easy question. Okay, let's do this. There are 6 men and 5 women are there. We want number of men to be, we want to select 5 people. Okay, 5 people we want to select, so number of men should be more than number of men. Okay, number of men should be more than number of women. So 5 men 0 women, or 4 men 1 woman, then 3 men 2 women. Okay, these are the 3 possible cases. Okay, so over here 6c5 into 5c0, this is going to be how much? 6 into 1 6. Now the next is 6c4 into 5c1. This is going to be how much? 6c4 is how much? 6 into 5 divided by 2, that is equal to how much? 15 into 5. Okay, that is equal to 75. Over here 6c3 into 5c2. Okay, 6c3 is how much? 20 into 10, that is equal to 200. So the answer is going to be addition of 275 and 6, that is 281 is the answer. Let's mark 281 and let's move ahead. Okay, find the number of integral solutions for the inequality. Okay, this will be lengthy, let's ignore it. After this, when the function f of x is divided by x minus 4, the remainder is 3. Very easy question. Find the value of k. Okay, so over here the remainder theorem is what? Remainder. Okay, so remainder f of x minus 4, we are going to divide by x minus 4, so the remainder is going to be what? F of 4, that is equal to 3. Okay, means f of 4 has to be 3. So let's put x is equal to 4. So 16 minus 20 plus k is equal to 3. Okay, so minus 4 plus k is equal to 3, that is k is going to be how much? K is going to be 7. Okay, so the value of k is 7 here. After this, question number 19. Question number 19 is, it is again an easy one. Not easy one, but we are familiar to this type of question. In a race of 2000 meter, P beats Q by 200 seconds and R by 500 meters. Okay, if Q beats R by 125 meter, find the speed of R. Okay everyone, let's have a look at it. So over here P beats Q by 200 seconds and R by 500 meters. Okay, so the race is of 2000 meter. When P covers 2000 meter, R will Q cover how many meters? We don't know, but R will cover 1500 meters at that time. Okay, then Q beats R by 125 meter. Okay, when Q cover 2000 meter, R cover 125 meter less, means 1875. But when R covers 1500, Q covers how much? Let's identify that. Okay, so 1500 into 2000 divided by 1875. So if we simplify this, what we will get? Let's have a look at it. 25 8s are 25 7s are 25 5s are. Okay, 75 2s are, that is equal to 1600. So when R covers 1500, Q covers 1600. Okay, so from this what we can see that P beats Q. Look here, P beats Q by 400 meters. Okay, or by 200 seconds, it is given in the question. So from this we can see that the speed of Q is going to be how much? 400 meter in 200 seconds. So speed of Q is going to be how much? 2 meter per second. Okay, we are supposed to find the speed of R. Okay, so now speed of Q and R, the ratio is which one? Over here time is constant. Okay, over here time is constant, so the ratio of distance is equal to ratio of speed. Okay, so speed of Q divided by speed of R is how much? 1600 divided by 1500, that is 16 by 15. Okay, that is equal to how much? That is equal to 2 divided by x. Okay, so this is going to be how much? X is equal to how much? Speed of R is going to be how much? 15 2s are 30 divided by 16, that is equal to how much? 15 divided by 8. Okay, that is equal to how much? 1.875. Okay, yes. So let's move ahead. We left with 11 minutes. Okay, question number 20. A vessel has 20 liters of solution of milk and water, okay, containing 25% of milk. From now n liter of milk is added, the ratio is reversed, and liter of water is added. We need to find the percentage of milk. Looks easy. Let's do this. Look here, initially 20 liter is there. Out of that, milk is how much? 25%, means 1/4, means 5 is a milk, water is how much? 15. So this ratio becomes how much? 1:3, milk is to water. Okay, so now look here, milk divided by water is how much? 5 divided by 15. Now in milk we are going to add n liter of milk. Okay, the ratio becomes reverse, that is 3/1. Okay, so 5 plus n is equal to 45, so n is equal to how much? 40. Okay, so now further in continuation with this, okay, so 5 plus 40 divided by 15, we are going to add n liter in water. Okay, n liter in water means we are going to add 40 liter in water. Okay, so this ratio becomes how much? 45 by 65, sorry, 45 by 55, that is equal to how much? 5 9s are 5 11s are. Okay, so milk is to water is how much? 9 is to 11 now. Okay, So we want to find the percentage of percentage of milk we are supposed to find. That is equal to how much? 9 out of 20. 1 by 20 is how much? 5%. 5 into 9 is how much? 45% is the answer. Okay, so let's mark 45% and move ahead. Question number 21 now. We left with 10 minutes. How many questions we did? 16 questions we did till now. Question number 21 is again very familiar to us. Okay, we know the method of this type of question. Okay, we are going to square everyone. Okay, so the square of p is going to be how much? A plus b bracket square, it is 25 plus 2 root 13 into 12, that is 156. Q square is going to be how much? 10 plus 15, 25 plus 2 root 115. R square is going to be how much? Again 25 plus under root 8 into 17, 8 is 136. Then S square is going to be how much? 6 plus 9 is 25 plus 2 times under root 114. How easy it is. We want which order? We want descending order. Okay, we want descending order. So means the largest comes first. The largest number is P, then Q, then R, then S. So the answer is PQRS. Okay, third option. After this, question number 22. Okay, question number 22. In the given figure, ABC triangle E is a point on BC such that BE is to AC is 6:5, AD is to DE is 2:3. Again, this is a very common type of question. Okay, so let's do this. We know the construction. We need to draw some parallel line over here in this type of question. Okay, so what I will do is I will draw a triangle first of all. This is a triangle. This is AE. This is BF. A, B, E, C. Okay, then this is D, this is F. So now what is given over here? Let's note it down. Okay, EC is to BE is to AC, it's 6:5. Okay, if this is 6x, this is 5x. After that, AD is to DE is 2:3. This is 2k, so then this is 3k. Okay, we know that AF is equal to 8. AF is equal to 8. Okay, we know that AF is equal to 8. We need to find the AC. So over here the standard construction is what? We need to draw a parallel line like this. Okay, this line is parallel to DF. Let's call this point as G. So if this is 2:3, this has to be 2:3 also. Okay, so let's take this is 2y and this is 3y. Okay, so along with this we can see that CG divided by GF is going to be how much? CE divided by EB. Okay, so CG divided by 3y is equal to 5x divided by 6x, that is 5 by 6. Okay, so if we solve this further, CG becomes how much? CG becomes 2.5y. Okay, so now the whole length AC becomes how much? AC becomes 2y plus 3y plus 2.5y, that is equal to 7.5y. Okay, now we know that AF is equal to 8. AF is equal to 8 means 2y is equal to 8, means y is equal to 4. Okay, so the answer is going to be what? 7.5 into 4, that is equal to how much? 30. Okay, so let's mark 30 as answer here. After this, question number 23. Let's have a look at question number 23. Pawan and Navin started a business investing 80,000 each. At the end of 6 months, Navin started withdrawing 10,000 from his investment every month. Find the profit received by Navin at the end of the year if the total profit is 57,000. Again, this is an easy question. Okay, so Pawan and Navin. Okay, Pawan invested 8,000. Navin also invested 8,000. Okay, Pawan invested 80,000 for 12 months. So I will write only 8 into 12 months. Okay, Navin invested 80,000 for 6 months. Okay, so 8 into 6, and after that 6 months he started withdrawing 10,000 every month starting from at the end of 6th month. Okay, so 8 is an investment for 6 months. For 7th month investment will be how much? 7. Okay, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3. This is for 7th month, 8th month, 9th month, 10th month, 11th month and 12th month. Last month is 2. Okay, So now we need to add this addition is how much? 96. This addition is going to be how much? 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 9 is 21. Sorry, 7 plus 6 is 13 plus 5 is 18. 22, 25, 27. This addition is how much? 80. This addition is 67, 77. Okay, this addition is 77. Hold on, let me check this addition again. This is equal to 10, 14. Okay, it is fine. Okay, so the profit between P and N is distributed in which ratio? 96 is to 77. Okay, so we cannot simplify this. We want to find the share of Navin. Navin will get how much? 77 out of one second, this addition is not 77. Okay, sorry, this addition is how much? 75 is, this addition is 75. Okay, this addition is 75 plus 96 is how much? 171. Okay, into 57,000. This is our answer. Okay, so we can divide it by 3. This is how much? 25 divided by 57 into 57,000. Okay, so this is 1000 into 25, that is 25,000 is the share of Navin. Okay, so 25,000, let's type here 25,000. Okay, let's move ahead. Question number 24. We left with 3.5 minutes. Let me go through 24, 25 and 26. Okay, 24, 25 and 26. Hold on, we are left with very less time. Okay, just 1 second, let me read this question. Okay, all 3 questions are the smaller one. Hold on. On a table there are 14 balls. Okay, on a table there are 14 balls such that exactly 4 balls lies on a straight line and no other group of 3 balls are on a straight line. What is the maximum number of straight lines that can be drawn passing through any 2 balls? This is very easy. Okay, 14 points are there, 14 points or balls are there. Out of that 4 are collinear and the 10 are non-collinear. So the answer is going to be what? 14C2 minus 4C2 plus 1. Okay, so I hope everyone knows this. This is equal to how much? 91 minus 6 plus 1, that is equal to 85 plus 1, that is equal to 86. Yes, it is in the option. Yes. Okay, after this, now this one is a base system. We need to convert it into decimal. We left with 2 minutes. Okay, let's convert it quickly. Okay, so 6 to the power 3 is 216. 216 into 2 is how much? 216 into 2 is 432 plus 6 plus 5. This addition is going to be how much? 11, 13, 543. Okay, 543 is in which base? Is in which base is equal to, one second, this is 443. This is 443 in which base k is equal to, sorry, this is in decimal. Okay, just a second. 443. This is a decimal number. In which base it is? 542. We need to check this. Okay, so first of all I will check with 8. So 443 divided by, okay, if we divide it by 8, 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 8 4s are 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40. Okay, the remainder is 3, means unit digit has to be 3. This is incorrect. We want unit digit to be 2. 443 now divided by 9, 9 4s are 36, remainder is 8, 9 9s are 81, 9 9s are 81, remainder is 2. Unit digit has to be 2. Yes, so I think this has to be the answer, but not sure. Okay, let's go ahead. 9 5s are 45. Okay, 9 5s are 45, 4 and 542. Yes, 542, correct. So the answer has to be 9. Okay, we left with 34 seconds now. Okay, so now we will not be able to solve any question now. Okay, so let me see how many questions we solved. 21 questions we solved. Okay, so let's submit the test. Oh, one question went wrong. Okay, 20 into 3 is 60. Okay, so one theta question went wrong. I think